So, and I share this because I want you to know that no matter where you start from, if you continue to make those thriving steps, it can happen. Now, how did that happen? Of course, we know that's from 25 years ago to now. But what I love about what you said is focus on your gift. And how many of you struggle with that from time to time? Or you don't know what your gift is, or maybe even resisting that gift. Well, I did that a while. But when I look at my life and I keep going back, okay, God, when did you open the doors? When did it seem easy? When did, favor come on me? It was through technology. My gift, or some version of my gift, had to do with technology. Technology was the first door that opened when I started as a teller. And my supervisor said, you're a teller, but you like technology. Why don't you go teach everybody in the branch and then go to other branches? I was not a trainer then. Technology opened doors before kings, like literally people who called me to teach them some version of tech. I'm like, how did you find me? Technology in 2020, when everything was shutting down, was the thing that kept my business alive because, of course, people wanted to get online. Any get on online business lab students in the room? Woo, 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 there we go. Deborah's one of them. So I immediately, once my corporate clients started to close the doors, like we're not doing training, I do corporate training. I'm like, okay, what do I know? I could teach technology. I've been online for a long time. Let me teach other people to get online. And I made more money in 2020 than I made in the previous years through my love and my decision to leverage technology. And I share that because, of course, that's what we're talking about today. And how I believe every woman can free their time, say free their time, fill their wallet, and find their ease, her ease, by embracing AI today. Now, I heard a little bit that, seemed like fill your wallet seemed to be the more popular one. I heard that energy when y'all was saying that. All right, we can talk about that. So how will we do that? Of course, I have a short time, but I'm going to give you as much as I can give you in the time that I do have. And then, of course, I'll share how you can learn more. Now, there's lots of AI tools out there, countless, just like any technology tool. The tool that I use most, these are not the only tools that I use, but the tool that I use most, i.e. every day, sometimes all day, is ChatGPT and Copilot. How many of you have heard of ChatGPT? Okay, good. How many of you have not heard of ChatGPT? All right, good. How many of you heard of Microsoft Copilot? So that's Microsoft's version of AI. Beautiful. How many of you have not heard of Copilot before? Okay, good. I just want to gauge the room. I use both of those, and I use both of those because Copilot is built into Microsoft. And so there's a whole beautiful world with Copilot and Microsoft. So you all employers who use Microsoft at work, you should be using Copilot. And then I use AI because any non-business related stuff, I like to use AI for that. So those are the tools that I'll be talking about today. So let's talk about how you can free your time, fill your wallet, find ease with AI. So I'm going to give you some examples, and then I'm going to, where's my timer? Anyone timing me? Y'all know speakers need, okay, thank you. Y'all know speakers need to be timed, right? Talk for a living. So free your time. What can you do to free your time? These are just some examples, and I'll show you a demo. I'll show you behind the scenes in my ChatGPT account. Y'all, it's messy, but it can teach y'all some stuff. What can you do? Automate email responses, plan your week, create reusable client templates, organize tasks, simplify team communication, streamline repetitive processes, and this is just a little bit. How many of you right now can think of, without even blinking, of a task that takes you forever to do, forever? Any of you can think of that? Yeah. Throw some answers at me. VAT. Okay, well, ChatGPT can do VAT. I'll test it. Listen, I will test anything in Chappy. I call him Chappy, by the way. That's my name for him. What else? Throw some answers at me. Reports. What type of reports? Any type? Right. So how long it takes you to do reports? Okay. You probably can get that done in seconds, in fractions of the time, right? So anything that takes you too long, and we all know what too long is, you can use Chappie for, okay? Now, what, for example, and this is Copilot, this is also ChatGPT. I love it more on Copilot, but you can definitely do it in ChatGPT as well. The example I always love to share, because that was one of my time-saving hacks, if you may. You get emails from clients or from customers, and sometimes your inbox is a mess. Anyone can relate to that? Yes. Boy, my inbox, Jesus. Anyway, and you don't have time to go through all the emails. And maybe you don't want to go through all the emails. Tell the truth. Anyone like to go through email? Okay. And so imagine saying to Copilot, saying to ChatGPT, depending on it, and again, those are tools. They have Gemini for Gmail as well, so I'm using various, just limited. Saying to them, go through my emails this week. Today is Saturday, so I'll do it on a Friday. Go through my emails this week. Give me a summary of those emails. Look out for any words that I'm looking for, like client or anything. Give me a summary, and how long that takes you, without opening it, it gives you a summary, listing without opening the email, and it links the email, so anytime you want to go back and check, and then you can say, email number 2 from client, I didn't get to respond to her. Reply to her now and say, I will follow up with an email to her in a few minutes or a week. And it drafts the email, you do copy and paste, and you're done.
What's your name?
This is without you opening your emails. Now with ChatGPT, you have to open it. And what I tend to do, if I'm using ChatGPT, I will open it, copy it into Chappie and say, give me a response for this. That's all I do. Now, why I can do it that way, because I've trained my AI now. They know how I talk, what I like, how to say things. And so it's just like that. You don't have to think so hard anymore to draft an email. Lord, I take time. You see, I didn't spend how long on that topic? But you see some examples. Plan your week. I'm going to show you that in a moment. So I'll come back to the prompts because I want to show you that in real time. Let's go to fill your wallet. Yeah. Say yeah. Anyone else want to say yeah? So now again, this is just a snippet of what you can do with AI to fill your wallet. Now, write sales emails that converts, right? So again, you business owners, any business owners, entrepreneurs? Anyone want to be in business? You know, you got to sell. And I can say what I say to my clients. My clients know what I can say. But you have to write sales emails. Sometimes you don't have time. Sometimes you don't know how to write it, right? And so I say the email, Chappie, look, I have this launch that's coming up. I have this course I want to sell to a couple of clients. This is my idea. Write the emails, and write the emails for the next 2 weeks. It literally gives you 2 weeks worth of emails. And if you say write 3 follow-up emails, it gives you that as well. If you had to do that, how long would you think it takes? What someone say over there? 4 months? That's 4 months worth of money that's not going in your wallet. So you can do that, right? LinkedIn posts to attract clients, brainstorm new revenue streams. Those of you who perhaps want to be in business and just have an idea, or even don't have an idea but just need to brainstorm some ideas, where do you do that? How do you do that now? Okay, those who don't use ChatGPT.
Call my friend.
You call your friend. That's true too. Listen, I never want to replace the friends and the humans. But you really brainstorm ideas, because there may be an idea in your head, and I've been coaching entrepreneurs for almost 20 years. I know some of you have ideas in your head right now. Yes or yes? And it's been in your head for the last year. Yes or yes? Maybe even 10 years. I lie? No. I talk to entrepreneurs every single day. And it's not come out or it's not been made real because you don't know how to kind of craft the idea. You literally could talk. I was outside just now in the sun catching some heat, and I was talking to AI. I'll tell you what I want to do with it. And you literally can just talk to AI or Chappie or any tool you use, say, this is my idea, help me brainstorm to launch it in 10 days. And it'll spit out at least a draft for you. You'll have to refine it. You'll have to improve it. You may have to run it by your friend or a coach or a family member, but at least get it out of your head and in action. Writing proposals to corporate deals. I don't write my own proposals anymore. I say a client emails me. They want training in Copilot, Excel, Word, whatever it is. I take that email. I literally did this on the plane coming here. I took that email, drop it into Chappie, and I say, give me a response for this. I want a proposal, and I've trained my AI to say, once I say I want a proposal, the draft of what I want is already in there. So it already it has the draft, it literally fills it out. I was on the plane when I got off, and of course, you know, you can't send it on the plane because now the internet off. So I did it on the plane, but I was coming. By the time I was waiting for Deborah to pick me up, I had already sent a draft of that proposal to the client. If I was doing that manually, y'all, it wouldn't have gotten done today or yesterday because I was coming here, I needed to rest. I had clients yesterday, today was a seminar, you know what I mean? And guess what? If you hold up on sending proposals, you hold up on filling your wallet. And so imagine being able to just have that set up for you. Find your ease. What can you do to find your ease? And these are just some examples, y'all. I tried to kind of narrow it down. And I'll tell you a secret. I went to ChatGPT and I said, okay, Chappie, based on what you know about me and the questions that I asked you, just give me a list of what that looks like and how I use ChatGPT. And this is all examples of how I use it.